I'm trying to make 10%. 10.8%. Actually, before I put up this recorder, my signal was already and it's passed, but I want to grab it again. Come on, why are you refreshing now? Okay, this is because this is on, what's it called? The new Deriv Platform. Open position. I want to check my position. I just entered a position and it refreshed. It's one of the reasons why I've not started trading much on. Now I'm not getting to see. Okay, see my position. Okay, this is my position for the trade I just made. It's going against me. It's going up, and I didn't get to see this on time. Probably because I entered too late. Now you can see this is going up, so I'm losing a trade. I'm down by minus 50% already, 58%, $58, $60. This is all because of wrong recording and stuff. Okay, I hesitated. I've done previous trades before now, so I'm going to have to wait this one out because okay, let me see. I only have 30 seconds left. I'm not seeing this. I'm not feeling this one at all, but I know my trade should pull through, so I'm going to wait for it. I don't have any other choice other than to wait for it. I cannot afford risking the old money, but I can still get out if I want to, and I will lose $50 or $40, but I know it should go down in 5 minutes. So I'll pause and I'll be right back when it's done. Okay, trade has been won. It took some time. This is because I'm trying to make the trade on Deriv Platform. You can see it took almost 3 minutes before I could make $10. I don't like trades that take time. I like my trades to be very fast. So let me go and check if I can do one more trade with a good signal, right? So I'll be right back. Okay, I've just made another entry. I really don't like the way the platform is misbehaving, going up and down. It's not actually allowing proper view, which is not nice. I'm not seeing it properly. It's fumbling anyway. We'll get used to it anyway. So I'm waiting for the second trade as well. So okay, traders pull through. Let me tell you one of the things that is affecting my trades for this session. I know there is an ongoing on back on the Deriv platform. That's one. Second, because there is an ongoing upgrade, I have delay in the signal provision. It's a bit delayed somehow, so my entries are somehow too early because I actually don't like trades that take too much time. So let me show you my trade history, right? And you get to see how much I've been able. What's all this now? How much I've been able to make today. Let me show you. I'm just somewhere in my car, parked somewhere, and I felt like, although I know that there is upgrade going on, so I just felt like, okay, I should have something I should be able to do. And now I just wanted to make like maybe $40 or so. So that's the reason why I'm trading. I've done like I think 4. I'm not quite sure. I think it should be about around 4 trades. So let me show you. You can see it's loading pretty slow, not that fast. Okay, this is the first one. That's $10. Another $10. That's 2. Another $10. That's 3. Another $10. you can see where the $43 is not inclusive. So I have $10 one. Look at the date and the time, 11:01. That's 11:03. That's 234. So that's $40. $40 is roughly like 4 times 4. That's almost 16 or 17,000 naira. So while in my vehicle waiting for my wife, I've made 17,000 naira. You too can do this. Now I'm doing this on the Deriv Platform, though despite the fact that there are upgrades going on. It's a wonderful platform. Opportunity are endless. You can make so much money from the comfort of your home, comfort of your phone as well. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Hey, visit my website. Very soon there's gonna be an update on things that can help you even if you have not been able to get started. God bless you. See you in another video.